We got Riot blockchain on the screen right now. Let's take a look at it. RIOT. Got the RSI as well as the MACD on the chart here. This has been an incredible runner over the last, 4 to 5, 6 months now. I mean, going back to April, I don't know where I was, but I should have been following this 10-month moving average and what it was showing that was going on in Riot blockchain. This thing is up well over 1,300, 1,400% for the year. An incredible return for shareholders on Riot blockchain. Bitcoin is back, folks. I mean, that's something I could have said, 3, 4 months ago. And I don't doubt that there's still some gains here to still be generated for shareholders in Riot blockchain. Now, what I'm doing is I'm actually in a bear call spread that's very deep in the money here. I'm back. I'm in the February's. Probably should have went out a little bit longer, but I'm really interested in playing the short time frame here in Riot blockchain in a bull put spread selling the 7 against the 5 in RIOT. But this is clearly what the Bitcoin maximalists have been talking about here, which is us going into the mass adoption phase. And they have been right over the last 10 years, which is as the market cap for Bitcoin grows, you're going to be seeing more skilled, more intelligent, more wealthy investors and institutions coming into the space of cryptocurrency. That's exactly what's been going on. And what's been surprising as that's happened is you're seeing even more alpha generated in Bitcoin stocks than in Bitcoin. You know, Bitcoin stocks have outperformed Bitcoin over the last 6 months. And that has a lot to do with the fact that, the stock market as a whole has a tendency to overprice assets, just, it being the system as it is. We've had, you know, Benjamin Graham and many other intellectuals tell us this, for years. So it's very natural what we're seeing going on right now in RIOT. Also helped a lot. The stock is moving because they released news that they just recently acquired 15,000 more Bitmain technology miners yesterday, the 21st, which is going to make RIOT the largest by hash rate Bitcoin mining operation that's publicly traded right now. Now, they're not going to be deployed until May of 2021, but I mean, they're increasing their mining capacity by 65%. That's a huge, huge increase in the kind of production they're going to be doing, which is very important, being that we just had a halving event in Bitcoin. So having that extra capacity makes a big, big difference. For those of you guys don't know, those halving events basically cut in half what these miners are going to be earning in terms of as a reward of doing business. So, you know, being a Bitcoin miner really has a short lifespan because, after 10 or so years, these companies aren't going to necessarily be valuable entities as Bitcoin miners. Now, if they're smart, are going to, hopefully save a significant portion of the available Bitcoin, and they're going to be massive financial institutions, which I believe these companies will eventually turn into lending platforms. That's more than likely the future of many of these Bitcoin mining operations. Pay attention to the $18 level in RIOT. I believe above $18, this can really run. Can really, really run. If you're late to the party and you understand options, go out a month past February, and if you're willing to hang around for a little bit, those are much more liquid options, and you can do some incredible, bear put spreads in those right now that are giving you basically a 2-for-1 reward right now. Again, that's if you believe what the Bitcoin maximalists are saying, which is this is the moment for Bitcoin to continue to run and run very, very aggressively over the next 12, 24, 36 months. So you can buy calls further out if you're willing to be patient, or you can sell puts deep in the money right now and start earning. Let me know what your thoughts on Riot Blockchain. I think this is an exciting opportunity. Even though, yes, we're late to the party, still a lot of money to be made here, folks. RIOT, leave your comments in the comment section. Tomorrow is another trading day. Trade well.